Every roasted peanut begins its journey right here. Freshly harvested peanuts arrive in massive volumes.
Flow is carefully controlled from the first second.
Raw peanuts move forward without delay.
Human eyes still play a critical role.
Even invisible threats are intercepted.
Peanuts rise toward controlled storage.
Moisture levels decide the next steps.
Quality is confirmed before roasting begins. Approved peanuts rejoin the process. The plant never pauses. Cleaning begins the moment peanuts enter the wash line. Field dust and soil are stripped away. Shells are scrubbed, not just rinsed. Even water is carefully managed. A final rinse prepares them for inspection.
Cleanliness is verified in real time.
Surface moisture is removed instantly. No excess water moves forward. Only intact shells advance. Drying stabilizes the shell surface. Conditions are carefully controlled. Peanuts are now ready for heat.
Flow is stabilized before roasting.
The roasting phase begins. Heat transforms raw peanuts into flavor. Movement ensures even roasting.
Precision controls the outcome.
Flavor develops in stages.
Moisture leaves, aroma forms.
Uniform motion prevents uneven heat.
Technology watches every shell.
Small changes shape final taste. Aroma signals progress. The roast reaches completion. Heat gives way to cooling.
Cooling locks in flavor.
Temperature drops under control.
Cooling continues evenly.
Roasting is complete.
Now, shells must be removed without damage. Pressure is precise, never aggressive. Shells and kernels part ways. Air does the fine separation.
Every kernel is examined. Only the best continue.
Size defines the product. Premium kernels are reserved. Consistency is categorized.
Human checks finalize quality.
Safety is verified again. Flow is stabilized once more.
Flavor is next.
Flavor is applied through motion. Oil creates the perfect base.
Even coating matters. Flavor follows balance.
Flavor is measured, not guessed.
Flavor locks in place. Seasoning is complete. Cooling stabilizes taste.
Uniformity is confirmed.
The final stage approaches.
Snacks are nearly ready.
Speed meets accuracy.
Perfect portions every time. Freshness is sealed in. Freshness is locked.
Each pack stands alone.
Packaging moves fast.
Accuracy is verified again.
Traceability is built in.
Primary packaging is complete.
Individual packs now become bulk units.
Every box has a plan.
Bulk packaging is secured.
Precision builds stability.
Structure matters at scale.
Loads are nearly shipment ready.
Every load is checked before storage.
Emissions are siphoned. Stability protects the product.
Every pallet is digitally identified. The warehouse takes over.
Storage maximizes space and safety.
Every location is tracked.
Products wait in controlled conditions.
Freshness is managed digitally.
Orders trigger movement.
Stored goods return to motion.
Shipment preparation begins.
The final journey is close.
Shipment begins with precision. Every pallet is handled carefully.
Coordination ensures efficiency.
Sealed for delivery.
Distribution covers distance.
Timely delivery preserves quality.
Technology guides each load.
Routes are clearly planned. Every pack reaches the right destination. From plant to shelf, the journey continues.
The product is ready for the world.
Quality shines in every pack. Every pallet finds its place.
Coordination ensures speed and safety. Everything is sealed for shipment.
A modern factory in motion.
Attention to detail never stops.
The final journey begins.
From factory to market, the process is complete.
And this is how modern factories produce peanut snacks from start to finish.
Distribution carries the product far and wide.